800 grams of pre-cooked potatoes here in this air fryer. I choose 180 degrees Celsius or 360 degrees Fahrenheit and 16 minutes. Alright, so this is the result after 16 minutes. They're nice yellow and slightly crispy potatoes, but I like them even more crispy. So I will extend the timer with 5 minutes and also increase the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius, which is 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we'll come back to it to see the results. In the meantime, I'm also preparing a nice dish with some green beans, some bell peppers, and I have some Eastern sauce over it, some chicken, diced tomato parts. So this is a nice meal for 1 or 2 persons. And this is the Philips air cooker. It's a really nice appliance and a really good addition to the Philips air fryer. So this is really a team of appliances I use almost daily to prepare my food. So this is the finished result of the potatoes from the air fryer. Nice and crispy. You can really hear it. Golden brown, just the way I like it, and I think most people will like it. I added 3 more minutes to the timer, so it was in total 8 minutes. And dinner is served. Very nice. It's an easy meal, of course, but it is super tasty. These golden brown crispy potatoes, the green beans with the bell pepper and the chicken. It looks very nice. So prepared in the Philips air fryer and in the Philips air cooker. Enjoy!